Okay guys, this is Dr. Tim here with Optimized Wellness Center. We're going to be talking about a SteriPEN. And this SteriPEN is actually one of the many different kinds of UV devices that we utilize to help to clean our environment. We have different kinds of light and they run in different wavelengths. So we have UVA, UVB, and UVC. Many of you are probably familiar with UVB, and that's the sunlight from outside that when it hits your skin, there's a photosynthetic process that occurs where it converts cholesterol into vitamin D, which is super essential for our bodies to be able to function properly. That's a whole different story. Today, we are going to talk about one of the other technologies. In particular, this one here, which is utilizing UVC light. And UVC is actually known specifically to help to remove pathogens and viruses, and it sterilizes and disinfects surfaces. That's fantastic. So we can utilize this in hospital settings where there's a really big and terrible problem, where about over 1.5 million individuals, when they go into the hospital, they are getting a secondary condition through acquiring various other kinds of diseases and processes because of the bacteria that are going on in that environment. Typically, they say only 50% of an OR's surfaces are actually being able to be cleaned properly. And this results in about 50 to 100,000 people on an annual basis that are dying because of these hospital-acquired different diseases. That's not great. So there's a variety of ways to be able to address that, but one of them is utilizing something as simple as this. This happens to be called a SteriPEN, and I have used this while going camping and traveling. The way it works is really simple. It has a UV light inside of here, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. There's batteries in the back, and all we have to do is turn this on and then put it into a water surface, and we're able to then disinfect and sterilize that water in this context. So we're going to take this here, we're going to turn this guy on, and then we're going to press this button here. Okay guys, so we've got the light on. You can see it now in the back here behind. You see my hand putting, and the light is in here. And we are now sterilizing the water in this glass. So if I was traveling or if I was in a place where I wasn't confident of the quality of that water, I could sterilize and disinfect it of any viruses or pathogens or bacteria that may be in there by utilizing that UV light. So again, guys, there are a variety of ways that we can help to clean our environments and using some really safe methods, in this instance, using UVC light out of this SteriPEN. Great talking to you guys. Optimized Wellness Center, Dr. Tim.